Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Again, no cracks about the hat. Today is the hottest day of the year. It is over 100 degrees right now. About a week and a half ago, I put PGR, a half dose, out on the lawn. It's already out of regulation. That's how hot it's been. This is the combination of cutting every 2 to 3 days, a sharp blade, and water. And it's popping. Today is, I don't know, July the 30th maybe. It's the end of July, I know that. So it's hitting pretty good. Looking really good. Over here is usually spots that I'm dried out at. It's not dried out, and then I've got 2 heat spots right there usually dried out, and they're not. I'm taking care of my neighbor's lawn, and it's popping too. I'm doing most of his treatments on that. I'm cutting the same frequency on it. I've only added maybe 1 different application between our yard. The putting green, again, if this is your first time watching this, the issue with this thing is I came in way too early in the season, and I scarified it, verticut it, whatever you want to call that, way too many times too early before it could be established completely. I should have waited until the turf was established to start messing with it. So I scarred it up good. In the last 2 weeks, it's really come back nicely. My youngest asked me the other day when it was going to be filled in so she could play on it. And I said it'd probably be 2 weeks. So this time of year, don't be throwing down any high nitrogen on your lawn. Last night we got rain, and that was the first good rainstorm we'd had in a while. And so right now you don't want to push your lawn because it's already under stress from the heat. So I'm fixing to grab the hose, put a hose in the sprayer, and what I do, I'm gonna call syringing, or just putting a spritz of dust or of water on the blades of the grass to cool it down in the hottest part of the day here. It'll enjoy that. It's kind of like if you're out cutting the grass, you get real hot and you take a drink of water. It's like, oh man, that cooled me down. That's the same thing with the grass. When it's under stress, you're gonna cool it down. The other thing when you're in stress is keep an eye on your landscaping. If you start to see leaves droop and you have not been watering, then that's stress. It needs some water. If you've been watering it and they're drooping, you've got too much water in that hole. You need to find a way to either stop watering it. If it's a new bush, pull it up, see if you got water down in that hole. If you do, throw some sand and rocks down in there to get the roots of that plant out of the water, and you'll be okay. But hopefully you're not planting anything in July. That's for the fall time. But that's all I got going on right now, guys. She's looking pretty damn good, I got to admit. So frequent cutting, a sharp blade, and water for this time of year. If you have to put out a fertilizer, make it something low in nitrogen, or go get you some kind of organic fertilizer, something like Milorganite, if you just want to throw something down, and that way you don't have to worry about it. It won't burn your lawn up. That's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, out.